All right, so here is the latest update of how the completed platform. And as you can kind of see here again, the lower level is kind of like gonna be like the country mountain scene, building up to this second level here. And actually, I kind of count this both at the same level. This is just the platform for where the tunnel, or like where the train could go around the bottom back part. This is going to be the middle part for the shopping center, Midtown, and then this top part is going to be for the city skyscrapers. You can also see here that we have some little holes for some plugs, especially the ones that are going to be sitting in the middle, so you don't have to like snake them all the way to the back. Another thing I'm very excited about as well is testing out some of the scrapbooking paper to kind of like put it along here, because I haven't quite mastered the technique of doing this with styrofoam like some folks on YouTube. It's on my to-do list, but for this year I'll just go ahead and just use the scrapbooking paper. So I'll kind of give it some stone things here, and even back here it'll kind of be like a stone backdrop as well, to kind of just show like the city building on top of itself, because there won't be skies for any of these middle levels. The sky will only be up at the top. And then I think again as you kind of work your way up, you can start using brick patterns, because again I will go with like the more industrial part of the cities, the developed sides. I think I also will probably put some brick pattern here. And then another cool thing I'm really excited about is using some cutouts of this, and then I'll laminate it and then kind of give this a little bit more of a finished edge here with trees all the way around. I think there will be a skirt down here at the bottom, but then there'll be like some laminated tree cutouts is what I envision. And then you'll have your other trees here, so you'll give it like a kind of like a nice finished edge going all the way around, in addition to like the trees and landscaping that will also be located on the bottom end. And next will be building placement, to see how much I can actually fit on here. And then once we get a layout that we like, we'll start getting things plugged up, wired, and moving from there.